tip I want to give you, save you some stress. As you can see, I've been disassembling some stuff. I have to replace the camshaft position sensor. Now it went bad. As you can see, this is all oil, just oily. Remember to service this. The point of this video is this gasket right around here has hardened so much that it's causing drip of oil all around this area, giving me a camshaft position code because it's so sensor. So I'm replacing the sensor, but at the same time I'm replacing this $5 part, which had I serviced this earlier would have prevented me some stress. This is the part number for the sensor that I'm replacing. Placing on the oil filler cap. Right over here are the part numbers. All right, YouTubers, here's the part that we're changing out. You got this, just give it a little nudge with the needle nose pliers, be gentle. Go ahead and pick it up. Make sure to pay attention to which side has this flap right here. As you can see, the top ring is as such, so you're gonna put it back in like that, right? So you're putting it back in to the cap as such. To go around it. Now this will be the best sealing. Make sure to get the genuine stuff. If you're looking for that sensor at discount, I have not been able to find it. That sensor specifically for that side is very hard to source outside of the dealer. Just wanted to also give you that tip, okay? Now go ahead and put that all around. Probably just want a little bit of oil so it sinks in. The most important step, put the cap back on. Make sure it's nice and tight. Give it a little clean so that you can pay attention. You'll see there won't be dripping oil on this sensor and save you lots of money and time. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.